Hello, I'm Sharon Healy, President of the Australian Council of State School Organisations, and I'm excited to invite you to join us at ACSSO's 75th Anniversary Conference on Saturday the 5th and Sunday the 6th of November at the Vibe Hotel in Canberra, or you can join us virtually. Registrations are now open with early bird rates available until October 14th. Our speakers and sessions are relevant for families, teachers, school support staff, principals, in fact anyone interested in advancing the educational opportunities for students via family engagement practices. You will leave conference with an understanding of what family engagement is, the research showing its importance, and practical knowledge and resources to use back at your school. Our celebratory 75th anniversary dinner will be held on Saturday night at Old Parliament House, where we will present the inaugural Susan Ryan Family Engagement Awards. You can register now via our website, www.acso.org.au. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye.